What's up everyone, Matt here, and today I wanted to show you guys this combo set that we have of the baby stroller, the baby seat, and then the base. So the base is what attaches to your vehicle. This can snap into the base, can come right off, and it can also sit right here in the stroller. And before I dive into some of the stuff, I want to show you guys just how easy it is to open and close the stroller itself. There is the squeeze handle and release right here. And you're essentially just folding it up just like that. And there is a strap right here where you can fold this over and lock it in place as well. So you can undo that, hit the unlock, and just open it back up. As you can see here, it has the canopy that folds open. What's really cool is it has this little flap right here, so when you're standing behind, you can still look in and see your baby. Cup holders up top here with the little compartment. The handle right here has attachments, so you can raise it up or down however you would like, all the way. Lock it out. This can come off as well. There's a little lock right here, so you can slide this up and down. Has the bottom base compartment down here, so you can throw, diapers, baby wipes, bottles, and stuff like that. And then what's really cool about this is the actual baby seat itself. You can see these little marks like right here. Just comes in just like that and then latches right down in place. You can set it down so the baby will be facing you. So even if you have this up, again, you can still look right through here and see your baby there. And then when you want to take this back out, just pick it up simply like this. And then what's really cool about it, this is the base that goes in your car. So right here, I don't know if you can see that, are the little hooks. This is what connects like to the little metal hooks that are basically in the crevice of like the back seat there. And so when you put your baby in, they're going to be facing the seat away from you. So if this was the car seat, in the back seat of the car, this would be locked in just like that. And then the baby seat comes in just like this. You can see there, you heard the click, it locked in. So now it is stuck to the base, which the base is going to be secured into your car. And then if you want to take it out, there is a release lever right here in the front. You pull on that, unlatch it out. And then again, if you wanted, set it right back in the stroller and you're good and ready to go. It's a really good combination of everything that you get in here with the baby seat and the stroller and the base for the car. We're super pleased with it, really happy. A couple other things that make the stroller really nice is, see if I can show you real quick. So the locks on these are really easy. You're behind it, there's one on each wheel, and you simply just push back on it and you can see it will kind of like clamp into that little spot right there. But it's very easy to kind of swivel this thing around because of the way the wheels are set up with the one in the front and the two in the back. But overall, it's a really good combination set if you're looking for a stroller and the baby seat plus the base for it in the vehicle. This is a really, really good one. I highly recommend it.